What you doing?
Passing out stickers.
That's definitely a new one for us, right?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. It's not really a bad way to end a drive day. Look at that sunset. The sky is actually absolutely on fire. It's beautiful. We're getting far enough south where we take our jackets off and our sweatshirts now.
Yay! Okay, so should we tell them what happened
What happened?
with the water?
Oh, we'll tell them what happened on the water later. Hanging out to the Loves tonight. I don't know who this guy is. We are hanging out at the Loves RV stop tonight for first time. We never done this. So we're on the way to the Keys. Thought we'd give it a shot. Went on the way.
It was a super easy to do.
You scan in, check in, but cool. We got 4 spots here. And everybody seemed to show up at the same time. What do we got? 3 fifth wheels and us, yeah. It's gonna be a
It's a little busy right here.
It is a little busy right here. If you're gonna stay at a Loves travel stop, the slide topper survived the first little drive. So did my old lot, as they use these freeze protected hydrants. And when you turn your water on, you got to pull this down, and it directs the water here. If you don't, it's going to come out of there. And we didn't know. We had to ask the guy next door. They're from Ohio.
As you see the big puddle of water.
Yeah, see the water.
I told them that we're from Georgia and we don't do winter.
That's right.
So we don't understand what freeze things do.
But they're from Ohio. No, we've been RVing a long time, and I've never seen one of these. So yeah, if you just turn it on, it comes out of there, and you pull that down, and it directs it out of there. Didn't know. No idea. But we got 50.
So now you know.
Now you know. 50 amp and water, and then this location does not have sewer hookups, but
It's okay. The dump station's right.
there's a dump station that when you make your reservation, you get a code for the dump station. It's right there. And propane. Which, surprisingly, I guess we might have to use tonight because it's going to be down to like 60.
Burr.
Now, we're going to decide on dinner. Rig looks good.
They did a great job.
Mobile Detail Boss. I'm going to throw their card up here on the screen, but they did a wonderful job, and she ain't looked this good in a long time. Got a great shine. And the back even shines like this, and it was so heavy oxidized I was worried that it couldn't be brought back, but they did an excellent job. So beautiful.
Got some new carpet on our steps.
Oh yeah, got those on the move. We're in Haven, Florida. Lake Okeechobee is about 5-10 miles the opposite way behind us over there. Well, we're pretty far south, about 2 hours away from our destination in the Keys tomorrow. Look at that. Hopefully we've got many more of those to come, being down in the Keys sunsets, but that's just beautiful. This KOA is pretty deserted, but it's in the middle of nowhere really, so. So we did make it to the Keys finally, here at Fiesta Key RV Resort. Sunny Florida, and it's like 80 degrees maybe. 78 degrees today.
So the big surprise is that I will be work camping.
That's right. So the whole reason we're able to pull this off down here is, so yeah, we're just trying to kind of figure things out. We've only been here a couple of days, and there's just so much to see and do here. And of course, we are slapped in the middle of the chain of the Keys. So, you know, it's an hour to Key West and an hour back to mainland. We had the opportunity to explore so much while we're down here. But this place is pretty awesome. So this is the marina right here. Probably a horrible picture because the sun's, but you can rent boat slips here. Look at this giant pelican. He's a lot bigger than he looks on camera, I promise. Yeah, so if you got a boat, you can bring it down. Oh, there's another one over there. They have a full service marina. The store in there has got just about everything you need. We're really excited for this next chapter. So the thing that kind of sucks though is that I have to fly back home. It's okay. I got some ends that I got to tie together at home. I've got to fly back home tomorrow night, and I'll be there for about 2.5 weeks. I got to finish working my contract. I got a few things to do to the other truck. We're gonna load the golf cart and some other stuff up in the back of that truck and drive it back down in about 2.5 weeks. So Mel's gonna be living the single life down here in the Keys while I'm gonna be freezing to death back in the North Georgia mountains.
Woohoo!
So, guys, oh, there's 3 of them. 4. Goodness gracious. But it's beautiful. We'll try to get some pictures of or video of the sunset tonight. Off of this point over there. It's just gorgeous.
We've been told that there's an octopus that plays along the edge here also.
We haven't seen it. But manatees do show up from time to time, so hopefully we'll get some looks at those. Look at this whole section. This whole section right here with these giant hammocks that you can just crash out in and sleep. It's pretty amazing. Yet to take a nap there, but I'm going to.
In the evening, we've been seeing some people in their kayaks sitting out here watching the sunset.
Watching the sunset.
So this is a cute little snorkel area.
Yeah. It's gonna be kind of good. Kind of groovy. It's gorgeous though, for sure. I like this area. I like the sand here. And you know, if you haven't ever been to the Keys, it's not like a traditional beach like Panama City or Destin or something like that. There's very few of those here. There's a couple, like Bahia Honda State Park, Sombrero Beach. There's one or two more, but most of it's kind of like this right here because they are volcanic islands.
So that's the biggest iguana.
That's the biggest iguana we've seen yet. I just scared the crap out of me. Look at that thing. Wow. Look at the beard. It's huge.
Big fishes.
Bye, fishes.
Bye.
Hi, fishes. Oh. They're swimming there. These awesome cabins or little tiny homes that are pretty much this, or half of this whole row right here that you can grab if you don't have an RV. Where did the fishes go? We've worked in worse places, I think.
Yes, we have.
Now you can get a better view of this area. We're walking, like I said, over to do sunset, but you can see. I feel so bad there's not people out here right now. All the restaurants over here with the bar, tables, all these seats, and loungers. Just lay around in the sun. You got that. It's gorgeous. Well, this I'm not real happy about. I'm sitting at the airport and Mel's back at the RV, so I'm on the way back to Atlanta. Got to finish up my work, get the golf cart and everything together, and get it back down here to the Keys in 2 or 3 weeks. But it's freezing in here and it's going to be cold in Atlanta, and I don't want to go back. Stick around, guys. We'll see you next week or the week after as we get stuff ready to head back down with the golf cart back to the Keys. Stick around. So take care of each other, love each other, make every moment count.